So I built my machine like a year and a half ago, and it was too big. Now it's shrunk down, sits next to my laser, and it's right next to my airdrop. So my airdrop will give air to the laser as well as to the CNC when it's doing aluminum work. I'm thinking that my hose pops up back here somewhere, and then I can split off, because this guy's going to want clean air, and this guy I kind of want to put an oiler on. I don't know yet. The other thing is I've got this guy here, which takes two inputs and creates an emergency stop type of deal. So I'm thinking I want to put the laser and the CNC on here, and everything else can power off the power strip. And I mean, that guy can plug into the power strip too, and that'll give me enough outlets to run my little piece of junk Acer here that I've wiped and put Linux on. And then the only other thing I have to figure out is I've got plenty of room under here for like a shop vac style dust collector, but how do I want to route it up and out? And I'm thinking, again, back here somewhere would be the hole to come up and do its thing. I could alternatively do a blast gate into the enclosure that will be here to extract fumes and stuff. Problem is, I don't want to suck them into my dust collector. I have, my dryer used to be out here, so I have that going up to the roof. So if I put a fan blowing my exhaust out the roof, who cares if I'm blowing fumes out the roof? There's no harm, no foul there. We're good. So I think that's where that needs to go, not to my shop vac. So that would be that. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out still. But as of right now, I've got the corner kind of coming together.